Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we are making air fryer pork crackling, also known as chicharrones. For this recipe we are using 2 pounds of pork belly. To the pork belly, add in 2 full lemon juice and 2 teaspoons of kosher salt. Now keep in the fridge and let it marinate for at least 30 minutes. Before preheating the air fryer, remove the crisper plate from the basket. And after 30 minutes, set your air fryer to 390 degrees. Set the time to 48 minutes. 3 minutes are of preheating time. Total cooking time is 45 minutes. Once the air fryer has preheated, pull the basket out. Place your pork belly inside the basket and make sure that the skin is facing down. "40 minutes later, pull the basket out. Flip the chicharrones upside down so the skin can get nice and crispy for the last 5 minutes. Insert the air fryer basket back into the air fryer and let them air fry skin side up for the last 5 minutes. And after a total time of 45 minutes, you should have perfectly cooked chicharrones or pork crackling. And now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, air fryer pork crackling or chicharrones. Enjoy, buen provecho. Thanks for watching.